Here we are. 5 things I love about old saddlebags. First off, it comes with this heavy duty hitch. Don't whack your leg on that. Alright, number 2. Coming in clean. I like to jump in her. Oh, once. When you get her purring, this is what turns them on. Down here at the switch. Foot pedal switch. Class E. Then, I ain't even got a hood pop. Need to jump, old son? Gotcha. Set down my fuel. See, he don't even need a popper no more. Man's hood. Ain't no man. This hood ain't for you. Number 4, 5, 6, whatever number we're on. There's enough room for car seats under the hood. 75, they didn't do that. They just put them in there. There were no seats. And the penis that's drawn on the hood is pretty much there to stay. Jack, get on in here. Number 5, get in here. Come on, load up. Then you got the dog. You got to bring the dog. Bird dog gets it done. And if we're getting a 6th one, this one smelled like burning assholes earlier. Now it smells like royal burning assholes now. If you get you one of these and do it right.